on behalf of the students of Goa and on behalf of the students of Goa and the entire people of Goa, we on behalf of NSUI Goa, I am Ehraz Mullah and Simran Prabhu Malkandekar, we are here for a very serious issue. This is a very genuine issue and it is very clear that we have not come here to do any politics, not to do anything, but only in the interest of the people of Goa and in the interest of the students of Goa. We are very thankful to the media for coming and coming to us and the entire police department. First of all, जे केसीस असा द कोविड-19 जे पेंडेमिकाचे केसीस असा ते वाढत असा इन दी एंटायर कंट्री इन एंटायर इंडिया ते वाढत असा अँड इट हॅज रीच मोर दॅन चायना. खंयच्यान स्टार्ट जाले फ्रॉम चायना इट हॅज स्टार्टेड अँड इट हॅज इन्क्रीज मोर दॅन चायना अँड टुडे गोंयान केसी वाढत असा. आयज केसी 11चेर पावला. द पॉझिटिव्ह केसीस इन गोवा आर 11 and the total cases have reached 18 to 19 cases have reached and it is a very serious issue. Today the students of Goa are in tremendous pressure because these students cannot go and answer the exams at a time when it is such a big pandemic. Today if you go to see even the CM also addresses the media with Zoom, and how does he even expect the students to go and answer exams at such a time when the cases are increasing? Today the official number cases in Goa, the positive cases are 11 and unofficially we don't know how many cases are spreading across Goa, and this is the biggest mistake. If the exams are held on 21st May, he says that the exams will be held. This will be the biggest mistake that the CM is doing, and we are requesting him. We're pleading him in the interest of the entire students, in the interest of the entire people of Goa, because there are various students that are coming from outside Goa that are coming to answer, that are in Goa, and this is the reason why community spread is possible. Please, we are requesting him, do not have exams, because as students we know that in colleges and in institutions social distancing is a myth. It is not possible unless and until you have a detailed plan. Unless and until you have a detailed plan, social distancing in universities, in institutions, it is just a myth. It is not practically possible. The CM has to come very clear. He has to come very clear as to how can examinations take place. Unless and until he comes clear as to what is his plan, the parents are not confident. The students are not confident of going and answering the exams. Also, transportation is another issue. Come out clear with it. If you want to say that exams ह्या डेटाक जावपाक जाय जाल्यार कशें करतलो? What is the future? आणि करून कितें फायदो जातलो? If the cases are increasing after the exams, the academic year is not going to start and we are not going anywhere. So rescheduling is another thing that is possible, and we are requesting him to come and meet us. We have a detailed plan, a detailed outcome of how we can come across. So this is the genuine request that we are making. We are very clear that the students of Goa, the people of Goa and the parents of the students are not a joke. Take them seriously. They don't want their students to go out, and no one is confident that, even on social media today you can see that no one wants to come out and answer. Yesterday through the media many people came out and many students came out and said that they don't want exams to happen. So this is a kind request to the CM that please, for God's sake, please do not have the exams right now. Come out with a detailed plan. Let the cases reduce. The cases are increasing now. Let the cases reduce. Then you can come out with a solution to it.
Why the CM is saying by maintaining the social distances, the exam can be easily conducted. What is your objection?
What is the detailed plan? The detailed plan has to come out. Just by saying the social distancing, people are saying that social distancing in markets is also possible. It is possible, but is it practically happening? No, it is not happening. Come out in the colleges. It is a myth. It is not possible unless you have a detailed plan of when exams will be held, what is the schedule. Unless and until that the detailed plan comes out with it, it is not possible. It can be said in the office. Sitting in the office, it is very easy to say that social distancing जातले, colleges and university in social distancing जातले. But what is the detailed plan? Why will the parents send the students? What confidence do they have? If he comes out with a plan and shows the parents की अशें social distancing जावपाचें आसा, so you send the students. Today see the social media, it is flooded, and we are continuously getting calls that we don't want to send the students, come out with something.
Any option you have?
See, the option is a detailed plan. A detailed plan when the cases will reduce. It is not now.
I am asking about you have any specific.
My specifically, if you want to come out with a solution, it is only during a dialogue. Ehraz Mullah and NSUI cannot come out with a complete solution. It is only with a dialogue. So we, as student organization, with the headmasters, we can come out with a detailed plan. But a detailed plan, for that we need to come and talk. We need to come and convey the message that the parents are not confident. How is it that the CM is showing confidence that there is a detailed plan? There is no detailed plan right now. It should come out in the media that there is a detailed plan. He has not come out with a white paper detailed plan as of now.
Had any parent approached you objecting?
Many have approached me. Yesterday a video also, InGo has put a video wherein the student is saying, and if there is any student that has a problem, there was a petition also. If a parent has put a petition in the High Court, that means that they are objecting. And also with the petition, during that time the cases were not increases. Today again about 4 to 5 cases have increased. So it is not descending, it is increasing, and it is increasing right now. So you don't know that how many people across Goa have COVID-19. So right now it is not the right time to have examinations according to everyone.
But court has given any stay on that.
What happened? Court has not given a stay. Of course, court has not given a stay.
Because until yesterday there were no
cases.
No, till yesterday the High Court has given and said ki
you can conduct examination because there were zero cases.
Wait, I'll come to you. You can conduct with the examination.
Course, yeah.
So how you can overrule the court?
We are not overruling the court, and we are asking for a change only today, because the cases are increasing. During the judgment came out yesterday or day before yesterday, I think. So during that time it wasn't increasing. Right now it is increasing, and in the interest of the students, in the interest of the people, CM has to come out with a solution. And the court has also said in the same time that social distancing and such norms have to be followed. Such norms have to be followed, even we agree. But how will you follow it? Has the CM come out with a detailed plan of it? He has not come out with a detailed plan, and he is trying to fool everyone.
So you're going to file a new PL or something?
We are in the process of filing. We've not filed. We are in the process of course we want to file, but we want a immediate solution. And an immediate solution, I think only the CM, in the interest of the people, he will come out with it, and he will have to come out with it. We are confident. If this reaches, we have mailed him, we've tried of meeting him in every possible way, and we are confident, looking at the increase in the cases, he will have the sense, he is a doctor himself, he will come out with a solution, and he will not conduct election. We are confident about it.
If you have a plan to file, and so a few days have been left over now.
Yes.
So how come in today?
Yeah, that is why we have come out, because we know how the courts and all function. That is why we've come out that in the interest of the people, he can give a solution. He is the very quick person who can give a solution. So he has to give a solution. We are confident about it.
How many stand is clear that they will going to proceed with the examination?
Even today, even after the 4 cases and 11 cases, I'm not sure. If he says it, I don't know if we should even call him the CM. Even after the increase of cases, even when parents are opposing it, I don't think he can even say this at this point of time.
But still Goa is in green zone.
It is in green zone. That is the CM that is saying. Practically, is it in green zone according to you? I don't think, because 11 cases within 3-4 days, and you call it a green zone, then it is a joke. It is not. It is not practically a green zone.
Will you go to the High Court?
Of course, we will go to whatever possible possible things that we can do. We will do it.
But hardly 4-5 days only left.
Yeah, so that is why, in the interest of the students, CM is the first definite person who can direct. So that is why he is the person who can make changes very quickly. We will not even have to go to the court if he makes the changes, and he has to come out with it.
Basically, what is your concern?
Our concern is, now the cases are increasing. Parents are not confident of sending their children to answer the examinations, and today you don't know how many students also have it right now. So there is no definite plan, and secondly, there is no definite plan. First of all, we don't know how many students have it, because official number is 11. Unofficial number, I don't know how many would be there. And secondly, there's no detailed plan. So how could you even talk about exams when there's no detailed plan?
Exactly, I'm failing to understand when court has passed said that there is no problem, and the government is standing with the procedure that they will going to go with the examination. What is your plan?
I am failing to understand that when the cases are increasing and when the court has clearly mentioned that there has to be certain norms that have to be followed, still without any norms and without any detailed plan, how I'm failing to understand how can he conduct the examinations?
You took the appointment of CM today?
Yes, I've not got a reply. I've mailed it to him, and 2-3 days back I've released a press note also. I've not got an appointment yet, and it's been many days now. I'm asking for an appointment. I've never got an appointment because this is not the only issue. This is the right now. This is the issue because it's on 21st the examination. Apart from this, the students are facing enormous problems. If you go to see the education loan, that is another problem. The examinations fees is increasing, that is another problem. Then the fees of students, the private schools that are there, that has increased. At such a pandemic time, if you are increasing the fees, then what kind of things is Narendra Modi talking about when ground reality is completely different?
So board exams are not, according to you, is not that important.
It is of course important. It is the most important thing, board exams. That is why I've come out talking about that issue. Apart from this, board exams, SSC exams and HSCC exams, there are a lot of problems that I want to meet him and I want to talk to him about it, which are not very urgent. This is the most urgent topic right now. And
CM is not giving the appointment today.
right now though I have not got an appointment.
Today only you have last.
Yes, today. 2 days before also I had released a note, but I didn't get an appointment that time also.
As you are a university student, so any